Hey Steven, it's Josh Betzel here with Starlit SEO. It was nice talking to you on the phone earlier today, and this is that YouTube video / screencast I was telling you about that I'll send over that shows you 3 things you can start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who is it. So that's why I put together this free attack plan. So if you like to do this on your own, you're more than welcome. But if by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. So now let me get into the first thing, which is content. Content is not just the amount of keywords on your page, but what keywords you use, okay? So when I plugged your homepage content into this wordcounter.net, you came up at 58 words. You really want to be at 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots, and these robots crawl and look for keywords in the content. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. Now, when I'm talking about keywords, I go over here to this tool I use called Keywords Everywhere. It costs about $10 for 100,000 credits, and it shows you that you're ranked number 1 for the keyword dynamic exterior solutions. But as you can see, there's no searches for that going on in Google per month. So now I'm going to go over here to your competition, which is Superior Fence and Rail. Superior Fence and Rail is your competition because when we type in fence companies in Jacksonville, Florida, you have your map pack and you have Angie's List, which is directory, but Superior Fence and Rail is the most organic company websites, therefore your competition, all right? When I plug their content into the word counter, they have 301 words, but this is where, really not a lot, but this is where it really differs, okay? On their Keywords Everywhere, Superior Fence and Rail, this is all the keywords they're ranking for. Crazy amount, right? But you could be there too. Fence Company Jacksonville, Florida, they're ranked number 1. 100,000 searches per month in Google. So that means since they're ranked number 1, they're getting 1,000 eyes on the website based off that one keyword. Fence Installation Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 1. 210. Jacksonville Fence Installation, ranked number 1. 50 searches a month. Fencing Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 4. 480 searches a month, etc. So that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about content. The next thing I want to go over is just how this first page is laid out in Google. So when we type in fence companies in Jacksonville, Florida, the ads come up, okay? And ads are good, okay? But studies show that they're only semi-effective and they could become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. The second thing I really wanted to touch on was citations, and that has to do with this Google Map Pack. So this Google Map Pack, Google My Business, citations is one of the big reasons why people rise in here. Citations is nothing more than what we call NAP. Name, address, phone numbers. So anything that's a name, address, phone number is considered a citation. I go over here to my little local citation finder. It's by Whitespark, WHITESPARK.ca. It runs you about 30 to 70 bucks a month depending on your plan, but it shows you the citations you have, and you have 10. Okay, so you have 10 citations, and as we can go over here to the map pack, you're on, I believe it was page 2. Yeah, page 2. So page 2 is pretty good, not bad. But we don't want you just on the first page of the Google Map Pack. We want you in the top 3 right here. So when people search fence companies, Jacksonville, Florida, they lay eyes on you already. All right. Your company's competition, Fence and Rail, they have 7 citation sources. Another reason that you rise up in this Google Map Pack is because you can add pictures and more content and keywords in your descriptions. All those things entail to be rising up in there. The last thing I wanted to go over was backlinks, and I'll go over here. This is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a great tool I use. It runs you about 180 bucks a month, and I use it about every single day because, well, I'm a digital marketer. But it shows you the referring domains, backlinks, what I also like to call link juice that your website has, all right? This link juice works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. When I go over to your competitions, they have 20 referring domains and 29 backlinks. You have 4 backlinks and 4 referring domains. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have let's say LinkedIn again. If you have LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking you. Because, well, let's be honest, you sling fence installations for a living, you don't sling pizzas. So just because this person right here, Superior Fence and Rail, even though they have more backlinks and referring domains, are they actually quality? Are they actually acting as that link juice for Google? Well, that's what I'm here for. All right, so number 1 step, add more backlinks and referring domains to your website if you're trying to crawl And I'm just going to go back over the last 3 things we talked about to close this up. First was content. So you want 58 words. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage for sure. And you want to implement these keywords that you find so you could start ranking in Google, okay? The second thing was citations for the Google Map Pack. You want more citations. I would say, honestly, 200 to 300 of these to beat your competition out by a landslide. Therefore, you shall be in that top 3. You shall be getting those eyes. And the last thing we talked about was link juice. So you need more relative sites linking back at you to show Google you are the authority. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.